Under the name of Management Philosophies, this company is expanding beyond its domestic market to contribute to a better world by becoming a valuable company. As a leading hydrocolloid manufacturer in Korea since 2010, Nico Medical has developed differentiated and innovative products based on cutting-edge technology. Nico Medical has been honored in 2017 with an Outstanding Venture Award, in 2018 with a Gyeonggi-do Star Award, and in 2020 with an Export Frontier Award. Moreover, we were recognized as a global strong small business based on our $5 million annual exports in 2022 and continuously expanding and developing new products. Using ODM, we provide systematic, customized services by analyzing customer characteristics and needs to provide OGM-level services by continuously studying global market trends and consumer preferences. As a result, we have successfully secured a range of exclusive patented technologies and are actively communicating with customers worldwide by obtaining licenses that meet global standards, including FDA approval. As part of Nico Medical's mission in promoting Korean products not only in the domestic market, but also throughout the world, we are expanding our export market to the Americas, Greater China, Europe, and Southeast Asia. In addition, we operate our own branded products in order to constantly catch changes in market trends and consumer needs, and to preemptively apply new manufacturing technologies. And we are currently growing every year by steadily launching more than 10 million products into the market as we continue to expand. Together with all employees, we will continue to work towards becoming a global leader in manufacturing. In collaboration with various partners, we are striving toward a better tomorrow. Keep life better. With the spirit of continuous challenge and innovation, we promise to be a company that goes beyond simple manufacturing to impress customers. Thank you.